Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to run LLM on your local PC. To run LLM on your local PC has a several advantage. Say for you can API access to LLM. It has a privacy and data security. Your data cannot go outside from your laptop. No API cost. There is no API cost. If you create API call to this LLM, there is no API cost. You can run several models, say for Ollama, DeepSeek R1, etc., IBM Granite, etc. You can run any model you wish. That's why I am going to show how to run large language model on your laptop or PC. For this, you need two things. One is Ollama. What is Ollama? Ollama helps to run LLM on your PC. It is very simple. And Open WebUI helps to create a interface like ChatGPT. Okay, I will show you how to run LLM on your PC. As my PC is a Windows PC, I want to run LLM using Ubuntu WSL. I will show you. In my Windows machine, just I want to open Ubuntu WSL. Command prompt. Here I am opening Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. This is my Ubuntu WSL machine. Okay, Control L. First, you should install Ollama. Okay, to install Ollama, just go to the Ollama site, and here you can see how to install Ollama. Just click on download. You can see the commands for macOS, Linux, and Windows. As it is my Ubuntu WSL, that's why I am using this command. Copy it and go open the terminal and paste it here and hit enter. Put the password. It is downloading Ollama on your laptop. It takes time to install Ollama. If you want to learn how to create Ubuntu WSL on your Windows machine, go to my YouTube channel, and here you can see the playlist, that is Ubuntu WSL, how to create. You can watch that video. Okay, it is downloading. If you are new to this channel, subscribe the channel, and I have a GitHub repo. You can start it so that you will get notified whenever I update in my repo. Okay, there are several documentations is available in this repo. Okay, to run the LLM on your laptop, you need Ollama, and another is Open WebUI. Okay, wait a little bit, and you can go to you can see there are several models available, large language models available. You can click the model section. You can see there are several models available. You can install it in your local machine and run it. You can run it. Okay, then say for example DeepSeek R1. Say for example Llama. You can install the Llama. You can install the Granite, IBM Granite LLM. Okay, Granite 3.2 or any. Okay, and you can go to the Llama GitHub pages also. Here you can see there are several LLM models available, and you can find the command for this to download. Okay, say for the DeepSeek R1. It is a 7 billion parameter, and size of this LLM is 4.7 GB. Okay, and you can see the Llama 3.2. As I am downloading on my laptop, that's why I will use 1 billion parameter. It is low size, small size, 1.3 GB. Okay, there are several LLM models available in Ollama GitHub pages, and you can API call to your LLM. I will show you how to API call this API call to your LLM, so that there is no cost to API call, no cost API cost. Okay, It is almost done. Right now I am installing Ollama on my laptop. It is a Ubuntu WA shell. It is done. NVIDIA GPU is detected. API is now available in this URL. To check the Ollama is installed or not, just go to the browser and here you can write localhost 11434. You can check it also 11434. Okay, and hit enter, and you will see the message Ollama is running. That's why your Ollama is installed successfully on your machine. And you can check also here the commands, that is Ollama, 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 and hit enter. You can see the several commands for Ollama run. To run a model, just use Ollama run, then model name. To pull a model, Ollama pull, then model name. Ollama ls, Ollama ps for running models, to show the list of running models. Okay, Ollama ls list models. Okay, I will show you how to create. Control L, clear the screen. Your Ollama is successfully done. To run the model, on your local PC, just use this. Go to the Ollama GitHub pages, and here you can see several models available and their comments also. For I am going to run Llama 3.2 this model. Okay, it is made by IBM. It is made by Meta. To install the Llama 3.2, just use this command. Copy Ollama run this command. Or you can use this command, and it is successfully installed on your PC. You can use this is your LLM is running. You can see, you can ask the any questions. Say for what is LLM? Okay, you can see it throws the message and in a very speed. Okay, it is your on your local machine. To stop this, just use by. Just by Control D. Okay, Control A. You can see OLLA Ollama ls to see the list of models. Here in my case, one model is run here, and you can running model OLLAMA Ollama PS. Okay, several comments available OLLAMA, and hit enter. You can see there are several comments available to run the model on your PC. Okay, and Control L, it is running successfully on your PC. If you want to use the ChatGPT-like interface, okay, you can use the OpenWebUI. Install it, OpenWebUI. For this, before that, I am going to show you how to API call to your LLMs. Go to the Ollama GitHub pages, and here you can see the API calling information. This is the REST API. You can call the LLMs by using API. Okay, just use this command call, and go to this. First use Ollama ls to check the model name this, and here this is the change the model name. Here in my case 3.2:1b to check the API call is successful or not, and hit enter. You can see that you can call the LLM by using API. Okay, it is done. Control L. You can also check the another, that is API documentation. Here you can go to this, and here this API call. You can use this command also, and response, it will show this response. I am going to check, just use this. Go to this, and here you can also use this Llama 3.2:1b and hit enter. Wait a little bit. Screen false. That means it is done. That means you can successfully API call to your LLMs. Control L, clear the screen. Okay, your API call is successfully done. Now you can use the ChatGPT-like interface to your LLMs. For this, you should install the Open WebUI. Just go to the Open WebUI, this site, and go to this site, or you can go to the GitHub pages also, and GitHub pages of the Open WebUI, and here you can use this command. Here Ollama this command. You can use this command by using. To install the Open WebUI, you should install the Docker first. Okay. To install the Docker on your laptop, just go to my GitHub repo, and here you can see the Docker learn, and here you can just go to the Docker installation. Okay, and then use this command. To install the Open WebUI, you should first requirement is Docker on your PC. First install the Docker. To install Docker, just go to my repo, and here use this command. Copy it and paste it here. Enter. Okay. Wait a little bit. Control L, clear the screen. Then again, next command to install the Docker, just use this. Copy and paste it and hit enter. And Y, press Y. Wait a little bit. Control L, clear the screen. Then next command is you can just use this post install sudo group at docker, and this Control C, already installed group. Then use this command, Control C. Then use this command, copy, and you can use to check the Docker install or not, Docker version, and hit enter. You can see Docker is installed successfully. Control L. Okay. You can close it and rerun it. Open 24. Okay. Your Docker install is successfully done. Then you should install the Open WebUI. To install the Open WebUI, use this command. Or you can go to my repo, and here you can just go AI learn and set up learn LLM, and you can just use this command. Here you can see copy first your command, and then I am using the -- network equal to host. Okay, and then go to the here and hit enter. It will install the Open WebUI on your PC, and hit enter. It is downloading Open WebUI by using Docker. Wait a little bit. It takes time to install Open WebUI. Wait a little bit. It will show the ChatGPT-like interface, and you can ask the any questions to your local LLM. Okay, I will show you how to look like the Open WebUI. You can watch my other videos in my channel. If you new, please subscribe it, share it, and this is my GitHub repo. Okay, this is my GitHub repo. You can follow it. Okay, it takes time to install the Open WebUI on your machine. It's near about 1.4 GB. It is almost downloading complete. Wait a little bit. It is almost done. To access the Open WebUI, just go to my repo, and here you can just use this command localhost 8080, copy it. It is extracting right now, and it is almost complete. It is done. Then go to the browser, and here just copy this link, this copy, and go to the browser and paste and hit enter. It will open WebUI. It takes time. Just wait a little bit, and wait, after waiting a little time, you can refresh it, and you can see this is opening open WebUI interface, and go to the click on get started, and here you can put the your name, any name you can give. Just use this any and use the password and create admin account. Close it. Okay, let's go. Here you can see the Llama 3.2.1b is showing your LLM, local LLM is showing in this left hand corner. And here it is just look like the ChatGPT-like interface. You can see this is the ask question, this window, and here you can also see this is the ask window. Okay, and this is the name of the model you are running, and you can ask here what is AI and hit enter. If first time it takes time to respond back, and it is showing the AI response. It is very fast, and it is running on your local. There is no need to internet. Okay, there is no need to internet. No internet internet required. Okay, you can run the LLM and ask any questions, or your local any questions you can use. There is no need to internet. Say for example, you can use the and go to the you can use what is Ollama and hit enter. Okay, you can see this is another, and you can use another models by using this. Just go to the settings, and here go to the as settings, and here go to the connections tools. There is several admin sections and models or connections. Here you can just download if you wish to download another model. Say for example, I am using Llama section. Just go to the Ollama. Here you can find several models and GitHub pages also. Llama GitHub pages, and here you can find the several models. Say for simple model 1 billion 1.3 GB, and you can also the Granite DeepSeek R1, you can use it also. Okay, say for example, I am going to use DeepSeek R1. How to install DeepSeek R1? 7 billion 4 GB, and use this. Copy this command DeepSeek R1. Copy, and here you can also install it. Just pull a model, Control V, and just download. You can also run another model that is DeepSeek R1, but using this command. Let's go to the 4.9 GB Granite and Code Llama 3.8 GB, and you can also DeepSeek R1 7 billion 4.7 GB. Just use this command. Go to here, copy it, and go to the terminal, and here you can run it. It takes time to install DeepSeek R1 on your PC. It is pulling the LLM model, and then it will run. Wait a little bit. After running DeepSeek R1, you can also see here. Here you can see right now here Llama 3.21 model, and here you will see here another model that is DeepSeek R1. After completing the running this model, wait a little bit. It takes time. It's near about 4.7 GB. Okay, or takes time to download. It almost 7 minutes to download the DeepSeek R1 on my PC. Okay, after completing the downloading, it will run DeepSeek R1 on my PC. And I will show you how to switch between two LLMs. One is Llama and another is DeepSeek R1. Okay, wait a little bit. It is success. And it is running DeepSeek R1. Okay, you can ask what it takes time. What is Kubernetes? And hit enter. You can see Kubernetes also native control panel, and it is response back. Okay, infrastructure, control C, justice, and control D. Here you can see OLLAMA, Ollama, LS, two model is present. One is DeepSeek R1 latest, that is 4.7 GB, and another is Llama 3.21B, that is 1.3 GB. Two model is here, and you can see OLLAMA, Ollama PS, and see right now it is running. And you can also use the web interface and just refresh it, and here set default is DeepSeek R1, and you can change it also Llama 3. And right now I am asking the question DeepSeek R1 LLM. Here, what is Docker? And hit enter. It is DeepSeek R1 latest responses back. Okay. And your chat history is located here. After that, you can also change the LLM from here. It is a very good interface. It is a ChatGPT-like interface. Okay, it is done. And you can change. Right now it is DeepSeek R1, and I can change it Llama 3.2. Okay, here you can ask the question. What same question you can ask, what is Docker, and hit enter. Here it is response back Llama 3.2. Wait a little bit. It takes time to respond back as it is both are running on my PC. You can learn how to install the LLM on your PC and run on your PC. Okay, to install the LLM on your PC, just use the Ollama first, and then you can install the Open WebUI for ChatGPT-like interface. To install the Open WebUI UI, just install the Docker first, and then you can install this. And you can also use the command prompt Ollama, Ollama LS. You can see this is my LLM models. I have downloaded it. It is size of 1.3 GB. Control L, Ollama PS. It is running Ollama, and you can also run Ollama. Just use Ollama, Ollama run, and this name of the model. Here this is my model. Control and hit enter. You can ask here hit also. Okay, just what is RAG and hit enter. Let's say for example retrieval. AUG augmented generation TION and hit enter. Okay, you can see the response is very fast. Okay, you can also ask here also. Control D, and you can also ask from the UI, that is the Open Web UI. This is the interface. This is your ChatGPT-like interface, and you can new chat. Again, you can share new chat, and your interface, your chat history is here, stored here. Okay, in this way, you can learn. You can run the LLM on your local PC. Okay, and this is my here in my channel. You can find the several videos. You can watch it, and this is my GitHub repo. Start it so that you can get notified whenever I update it. Thank you.